my name is Arbaz, or are you watching my YouTube channel Developer Arbaz? Today I have brought a new AI tool for you all. Name is Merlin. Access powerful AI plugins with one click. When you add this AI tool to your Chrome browser and start any YouTube video, this AI tool will tell you what to say in the video, and then it will create a script on the side. This will make you know everything. Or this AI tool is also used in website. To add this AI tool to your Chrome browser, you have to go to Google, otherwise you have to search for Merlin. Access powerful AI plugins with one click. After searching, you have to click on the first link. After that you have to add it by clicking on Chrome. After that you have to check it by searching any YouTube video. Thank you watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.